Hey YouTube, so I'm back to do another video, and this video is going to be super quick. This is just going to be a check-in video on my hair. I haven't done one of those videos in a long time, and I've been keeping up with the weeks, but I'm pretty sure I'm about 10 weeks or so because I'm almost at 3 months. So I'm pretty sure it's like 10 weeks or 9 weeks, 9 week video, but I'm almost at 3 months. So yeah, so specs on the hair. The hair is still doing a great job. I love it. Still soft. You can still run your fingers through it. It is the natural straight texture, and this is the virgin Brazilian hair from Aliexpress from Queen Hair Products. 12, 14, 16, and 18 inches is the length that I have in. It's on a sew-in. So yeah, I've said those specs like a gazillion times, but yes, I am still really loving the hair. It is holding up really well. Tangling, it doesn't tangle. I do get some shedding, but it's not that bad. Like up to 10 strands for the day, sometimes a little bit more depending on how many times I really brush it out, but it doesn't tangle. Like, no snagging. Like, I'm pulling the hair right now trying to get some shedding, and I got one strand. I don't know if you guys can see that. One strand is all I got. I was pulling the hair. So yes, there is I really love this hair. Like, I do so much with it. I'm constantly changing my parts. Right now I kind of have like a no part look going on. Sometimes I have a side part, sometimes I have a middle part, sometimes I wear my headband. So you know, this hair is very versatile and all that stuff. I am due for a hair grooming right now, like to get it re-sewn on because my hair is growing out underneath and all that stuff. So I plan to get that done. I also plan to ombre the hair. I plan to get some blonde on the bottom. So I'm hopefully going to get that done by next month. I want it to be done for Christmas and New Year's. So by next month, I'm gonna definitely get that done. I'm thinking about ordering a closure because I feel like my hair is starting to break off with all the straightening and the heat, and you know, winter is here. Well, it's getting really cold pretty much, so I really don't want my hair to get damaged or fall off. So I'm thinking I might buy a closure so that when I do get my hair re-sewn on, I can just wear a closure and protect my hair. So that is definitely something I've been thinking about. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do. I've even been thinking about changing my hair all entirely for Christmas and using this hair on a U-part wig so that I have it and can pop it on whenever I want to. But I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But for the most part, all I can tell you is that this hair is doing a great job, and I still really love it. And I felt that I should come to an update video. My next update video will be when I get to the 3-month mark. So yeah. There are some videos of me with my hair curled. If you just check out my channel, you'll see those videos. It curls really nicely, but it doesn't really hold curls. Like when I sleep on curls, the next day my hair looks like this, like it straightens right back out. But when you do the curls, like for the day, it'll last. So that's what I can say about the curls. But straight, I mean, it's natural straight texture. This is how my hair looks right after it's been washed. I washed my hair last week and let it air dry, and this is what it looks, and it still looks this way now. So yeah, I don't really have to put heat on my hair to straighten out, which is a really good thing and is the reason why I brought straight hair. So yes, that's it for my update video. I really like the hair, love it, and whatnot. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to the videos. Leave any comments that you have below, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.